Exciting news for Apple Watch users. If you have an Apple Watch, you can use it to track your calories. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. If you're someone who's geared towards achieving your fitness goals and you have an Apple Watch, it just got way easy for you, as you can see your active and passive calories by this feature. This way, you can plan your workout, do calorie deficit, plan meals, and much more to be healthier and fitter. But wait, what are active and passive calories? Active calories are those which are lost when you're doing something, like exercising, running, or just walking or doing chores, while opposite to active, passive are those which are burned while you're just resting. Those are called your basal metabolic rate. Why is tracking these important? Well, by monitoring your active and passive calories, you can adjust your diet to support your energy needs, set realistic fitness goals, and track your progress and improve your overall health and well-being. This is a great way for the fitness enthusiast to do that. How can you track these on your Apple Watch? For the Apple Watch, you have to open the Activity app and swipe or scroll down with the digital crown. You'll see your active calories burn under the Move goal, and if you don't want to go through all the hassle, you can just add the activity complication to a watch face or use an activity watch face to see active calories burned at a glance at the screen of your watch. You can even check the calories on your iPhone. Just open the fitness app on your iPhone and tap on the activity rings at the top, and you'll see your total calories burned for the day in the bottom left of your screen. Subtract your active, which are Move goal calories, from the total to get your passive calories. We hope this video will help you in maintaining your fitness goals. Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.